Matthew from Matthew Lester Website Design here. I'm going to show you how to cancel an order in Shopify. First thing you want to do is you want to open up the order. So you see the order details here. Now you may want to cancel an order because it looks fraudulent. Perhaps a customer has called you, they want to cancel an order, or you just need to cancel an order for whatever reason. So the first thing to do, again, as I said, is to open the order in your Orders tab. Up under More Actions, you want to click Cancel Order. And this dialog box will come up. If you want to restock the items, you can actually click this. If you want to send the customer a notification, you can click that on. I'm not going to restock, and I'm not going to send my customer that. And if you choose a reason why you're canceling it, for this, I'm just going to click Other. Click Cancel Order. And when you cancel the order, it's actually going to cancel it. It's also going to refund it if you had captured the payment already. And then once you cancel the order, it should archive the order, or you can make sure that it's archived under here. And that's how you cancel an order in Shopify.